The new Volkswagen Lamando L GTS, the performance version of the Lamando series, has been equipped with a special sports appearance kit based on the standard version. Its overall appearance is more aggressive and is expected to be a new sports coupe option sought after by younger consumers. The sporty nature of the new Lamando L GTS is clearly evident from the front. The front end features a smoked finish honeycomb-patterned grille with a red frame, reflecting the GTS's distinctive logo and instantly enhancing the sporty atmosphere. The sharp headlights on either side feature integrated LED daytime running lights with a smoked finish inside. A three-stage air intake at the bottom further emphasizes the aggressive front end. Raised slats on the hood create a muscular appearance, imbued with powerful power. The fastback style is a distinctive feature of the Lamando L. The GTS version further enhances this with a new side skirt spoiler adorned with a red stripe that echoes the front design. 19-inch smoked black sport wheels paired with red brake calipers create a striking visual impact, while large tires provide increased grip. The roof rack has been removed, replaced by a fluid roofline that extends from the A-pillar to the rear, effectively reducing wind resistance. Smoked black window frames, combined with black exterior mirror housings, further enhance the sporty feel. The rear of the vehicle also features numerous design accents. A large fixed spoiler enhances the visual impact and provides additional downforce at highway speeds. The full-length taillights feature smoked finish LED lighting for increased visibility when illuminated. The GTS logo beneath them further emphasizes the vehicle's identity. The diffuser design in the rear bumper, combined with the quad exhaust system on each side, creates a deep, rich sound that reflects the aura of a performance car. The new vehicle is expected to be powered by a 2.0T turbocharged engine producing 220 horsepower and 350 Nm of torque. Equipped with a 7-speed wet dual-clutch transmission, the vehicle will accelerate from 0 to 100 km per hour in approximately 6.5 seconds. The new vehicle will also be equipped with a DCC adaptive suspension system that balances handling and comfort by adjusting suspension firmness and softness to suit different road conditions. The addition of an all-wheel drive system provides enhanced stability during hard acceleration and cornering.